Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to find get in Google Sheets in simple way. So get ready started. At first open your Google Sheets file. Firstly, in this video I will show that find the grade. Now select from the grade first option. Now for click, then keyboard press from the equal. Now type from the VLOOKUP first bracket and mark first from select. Now for comma press. Now press from the all mark and grade. Now again for comma. Now type from the 2, then again comma. Now keyboard press from the type to row, then keyboard press on the second bracket close. Now keyboard press from the enter. That's it. Now get full mark. That's it. Then I show the find grade in Google Sheets is simple a step by step, is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.